Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about editing, saving and running a script using interactive cell. Okay. So first one, Python cell. Python is an interpreter language. It means it executes the code line by line. Python provides a Python shell which is used to execute a single Python command and display the result. It is also known as REPL. REPL means read, evaluate, print and loop. REPL, where it read the command, evaluate the command, print the result and loop it back to read the command again. To run the Python shell, open the command prompt or PowerShell on window, write Python and press enter. Now you can enter a single statement and get the result. For example, enter a simple expression like 3 plus 2. Press enter and it will display result. So in menu button, type window PowerShell and click on it. So window PowerShell that is open like this one. Now enter first Python. So it will display Python 3.9.6. This is latest version of Python. So it will display this one, Python and version of Python. Now if we enter 2 plus 3, if we type 2 plus 3 and enter it, then we get 5. If we print hello and enter it, so output is hello. Okay, so write any expression here and we get answer. For example, 3 greater than 5. No, it is false. So we get answer false. Okay. Then how to execute Python script in window PowerShell? We know that simple expression 2 plus 3 that is equal to 5, then true or false boolean expression and some single statement line that is simply executed in window PowerShell. If we enter, then it is executed. But how to execute Python script? It means number of line, okay, in window PowerShell. Then, as you have seen above, Python shell execute a single statement. To execute multiple statement, create a Python file with extension .py. Any file with extension .py, so it is treated as a Python file. So any file which has extension .py, it is Python file. And write Python script. For example, enter the following statement in a text editor such as Notepad. Okay. Now print hello student and print welcome to the world of Python. Now save this statement as a myprogram.py. .py means Python file. And navigate the command prompt to the folder where you have saved this file. Currently this file stored in my desktop. Okay, this file my program.py, and this file contain two statements, hello student and welcome to the world of Python. Okay, and execute the Python myprogram.py command. It will display the result. So in window PowerShell, first exit from this one. So by using this exit and parenthesis, we exit from this one. Now here PSC user Lenovo. So first we enter CD desktop. After writing this, enter. So now path is PSC user Lenovo desktop, and in desktop From which file we run script? It is program.py. So in desktop, my program.py, we run script from this file. So first enter Python, then my program.py, then enter. So my program.py, this file contains two statements: hello student and welcome to the world of Python. And this my program.py, this file present in desktop in my laptop. Now next one, Python IDLE. IDLE is an integrated development environment for Python. IDE, integrated development environment. The Python installer for Windows contains the IDLE module by default. To start an IDLE interactive shell, search for the IDLE icon in the Start menu and double click on it. This will open IDLE where you can write and execute the Python script. You can execute Python statement same as in Python shell. To execute Python script, create a new file by selecting File, New File from the menu, enter multiple statement and save the file with extension .py using File and Save. For example, save the following code as a myprogram.py. Then in myprogram.py, which is present in desktop, in my laptop, print hello student, this statement present, and print welcome to the world of Python, this statement also present. Press F5 to run the script in the editor window. The IDLE cell will show the output. Now all these things we discuss in IDLE Python shell. So in start menu, enter IDLE. So here there is a IDLE Python 3.964-bit. So click on this. So we get IDLE cell. This is IDLE cell for Python. Same as a window PowerShell. Here if we enter 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 and then enter, so we get 5. If we enter 5 minus 1, then enter, so we get 4. If we enter print hello, then enter, so we get output hello. Same as a window PowerShell. But if we run script, then in the file open, then we open one file from desktop. So this file myprogram.py, then open. So this is myprogram.py file in Notepad, myprogram.py file, and it contains two statements: print hello student and print welcome to the world of Python. So if we run this script, then enter F5, enter F5 button. So after pressing F5 button, we get hello student, welcome to the world of Python. Okay, so after pressing F5 button, we run script of that program in our shell. Hello student, welcome to the world of Python. Okay. Now there are many free and commercial IDE available for Python. For example, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, Visual Studio Code, Spider, and Pycharm. Now we discuss about Pycharm IDE. Pycharm is the most popular IDE used for Python scripting language. Follow the step given below to install Pycharm on your system. Download the required package from the official website of Pycharm This is official website of Pycharm. Here you will observe two versions of package for window, professional and community. The professional package involve all the advanced feature and come with free trial for few days, and the user has to buy a license key for activation beyond the trial period. Okay, and community package is for free and can be downloaded and installed as and when required. It includes all the basic feature need for installation. Note that we will continue with community package throughout this tutorial. Okay. Download the community package into your system and mention a destination folder. Now begin the installation procedure similar to any other software package. So in my desktop, this is Pycharm software. So enter this. So this is Pycharm Editor. So this is one type of source code editor. And here file, edit, view, these all are option. If we click on file, then first option, that is new project, then new, then open, close project, open the recent, rename project, all these option available. So for example, this is one simple program, print hello. Okay, this is one simple program. And if we run this program, how to run this program? In run button, in upper side there is a one run button. Click on run button, then run. Then here this is program first 1.py. So click on 1. So after clicking this one, we get output, that is hello. Here print hello and output in terminal hello. So whatever program you enter here, it is single line, multi-line, whatever. If we run program, then output that is here for first line, for second line, for third line, step by step. Okay. So this is about Pycharm. It is one type of source code editor. And here there are different options: file, edit, view, navigate, code, refactor, run, tools, various options. Okay. So this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.